From the early days of automobiles to the present, transmissions of all vehicles have been continuously evolving, but some car models have preferred to use different types of transmissions. Now, I will explain all transmissions from the oldest to the newest. Car transmissions are important components that transfer engine power to the wheels, enabling the vehicle to move. Different transmission types offer different driving experiences, performance characteristics, and fuel economy. Manual transmission. Manual transmissions are a system where the driver manually selects the gears by using the clutch pedal to shift gears. They typically offer more control and performance. The driver can choose the most suitable gear range for the engine and change gears as needed. However, they require more attention and skill from the driver. The learning curve can be steep for beginners. Automatic transmission. Automatic transmissions are systems where the driver does not use a clutch to shift gears, and gear changes are automatically controlled by the vehicle's computer. This system, preferred for driving in traffic or city conditions, provides more comfort to the driver. Gear shifts are smoother and quieter. However, some drivers may prefer more control or feel that automatic transmissions are slightly behind manual ones in terms of performance. Semi-automatic transmission. Semi-automatic transmissions combine both manual and automatic gear options. The driver can shift gears manually when desired or use the automatic mode. This system strikes a balance between control and comfort. The driver can shift gears as needed while also comfortably driving in automatic mode. Semi-automatic transmissions are a type of transmission that offers drivers the ability to manually shift gears while also being capable of automatic operation. This system typically retains the control advantages of manual gear shifting while providing a more comfortable driving experience in automatic mode, especially in traffic or urban environments. Semi-automatic transmissions generally have a simpler structure than manual transmissions, often featuring two pedals and a mechanism for shifting gears. When a driver wants to change gears, they typically do so manually using the gear lever or paddle shifters mounted on the steering wheel. However, the system can switch to automatic mode as desired. With the transmission automatically adjusting gear changes based on driving conditions. Semi-automatic transmissions are often less expensive and less complex than manual transmissions, making them preferred by some drivers. However, they may not offer as seamless a driving experience as full automatic transmissions and require some skill. CVT. Continuously variable transmission. CVT is a type of transmission that operates with a continuously variable gear ratio. Unlike other transmission types, CVT maintains the engine at its most efficient speed range by continuously changing the gear ratio. This system provides fuel economy and a smooth driving experience. However, some drivers may find it provides an unusual driving sensation. Direct shift gearbox. DSG is a type of dual-clutch transmission that combines the benefits of manual and automatic transmissions. It allows for quick gear changes without interrupting power delivery, providing both performance and convenience. Each transmission type has its advantages and disadvantages. Vehicle selection is usually based on usage needs, driving preferences, and budget. If you have any further questions or requests, feel free to ask.